what do you see? A world full of colors for you and me. Open your eyes, let's take a look, like turning the pages of a colorful book. Red is an apple, juicy and bright. Green is the grass in the warm sunlight. Blue is the sky way up so high. Yellow is the sun as it passes by. White is a cloud floating soft and slow. Black is the night when the stars start to glow. Pink is a flower blooming in May. Gray is a stone where the puppies play. Purple is a grape, sweet and round. Brown is the dirt upon the ground. Orange is a carrot, crunchy to chew. Colors are fun and so are you. Now we know our colors, hooray, hooray. We see them around us every day. Red, yellow, blue, and all the rest. Learning colors is simply the best.